Guys, nobody skips these stages, So even if you try to, the market will always bring you right back. So be patient and take your time.
Trading is a lifelong journey of self-improvement and self-discovery. If you survive the market's brutal lessons, liquidations, losses, and psychological torment, you'll gain a level of self-awareness that even the most enlightened Instagram gurus selling manifestation courses would envy. A successful trader is, above all, a master of psychology. The market tests everything: resilience, emotional control, discipline, and even your biases. Your trading system isn't just a strategy, it's a direct reflection of your personality, with all its strengths and flaws. And every trader must pass through 5 stages. Some fly through them in a year and become market-destroying machines. Others never make it past the second step. You can't skip these phases. You have to endure them. Here's what the journey looks like. Stage 1. Unconscious incompetence. You don't know what you don't know. Welcome to the market, young Padawan. At this stage, you're just getting familiar with the trading platform, learning basic terminology, and figuring out the difference between buy and sell. Everything seems simple. You assume the market was designed for kids. You can't understand why analysts make such a big deal about small price movements. Your trading decisions are pure gambling, driven by emotions, instincts, or maybe even alcohol. You don't have a risk management plan. You randomly enter and exit trades, chasing price movements. Wins fuel your confidence, losses don't worry you, until one bad trade wipes out everything. If you're lucky, you move to the next stage. If not, you rage quit, blaming the market, scammers, or even some grand conspiracy of reptilian overlords. Stage 2. Conscious incompetence. Now you know how little you actually know. Motivated by a few lucky trades, you dive into education. You consume everything: books, YouTube videos, Twitter threads, Telegram groups. You're convinced that somewhere out there is a perfect strategy with a 98% win rate. Your brain becomes a dumping ground for trading nonsense. The problem? In most fields, more effort leads to better results. Not in trading. Here, more information can lead to more confusion. You constantly switch strategies, tweak indicators, and blame external factors for your losses. You don't yet realize the problem isn't the market, it's you. This phase lasts the longest. Some never escape it, even after years of trading. If you're unsure whether you're stuck here, ask yourself, have I changed my trading strategy in the last month? Do I keep making impulsive mistakes that cost me big money? Do I repeat the same errors over and over? Do I actively analyze my trades, or do I avoid looking at them? If the answers hurt, that's good. Lying to yourself keeps you trapped in this stage. Stage 3, the chaos of understanding. You finally accept, I don't know enough, but I'm starting to understand how to learn. This is where responsibility kicks in. You stop blaming external factors. You realize that constantly switching systems gets you nowhere. Instead, you commit to one and work on making it profitable. You track your emotions, follow a daily routine, and keep a trading journal. At this point, I personally started using funded trading accounts. Why? To minimize unnecessary risks and maximize profits. Trading with someone else's money, under strict risk management rules, forced me to be far more disciplined. And discipline is what separates gamblers from real traders. If you want to explore funded accounts, check the discounts in the comments. Stage 4. Conscious competence. You now understand what works and what doesn't. You follow your system and respect risk management. But trading still requires effort and discipline. You still experience emotions, but they no longer control your decisions. You stick to your rules, journal your trades, and adjust based on logic, not impulse. You're no longer chasing trades. You accept that losses are part of the game. Stage 5. Unconscious competence. This is where trading becomes second nature. You no longer have to remind yourself to follow your system. It happens automatically. Just like a chess grandmaster sees patterns instantly. You recognize market conditions without overthinking. You don't get emotional over trades. You execute with confidence, knowing that long-term probabilities are in your favor. You know everything, but you don't care. Trading has become boring, and motivation issues often arise because unconsciously competent traders realize they're not contributing to those around them. This is where a trader's career often ends. or they find new motivation in mentorship, philanthropy, or writing materials like this one. Understanding that you can help others pushes you towards endless self-improvement, not just in trading, but in related fields. At this stage, the trader has spent years at the terminal, executed thousands of trades, and knows exactly what their ideal setup looks like. Instead of playing the market, they start playing the waiting game. Losses don't bother them because they follow their rules, and as long as they stick to their system, everything will be fine. Trading has become an activity of pattern recognition rather than a constant battle. But here's the catch. Very few traders reach this stage. Even fewer stay here. Because the moment you get too comfortable, the market humbles you. And so, the cycle repeats.